Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedy.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you grow long hair, apply it one night, grow long hair, thicken hair naturally, and it's super effective remedy at home. All you need to do is prepare it, apply it in your hair, and you don't need to wash it. It is super effective and super helpful in thicken hair from the roots and grows hair super fast, thicken hair and grow long, shiny, strong hair naturally, my friends. This magical remedy works 100%. It's super effective and super helpful, and my friends, the result will amaze you with this remedy. It 100% it works. All you need to do is just give it a try and you will thank me later. So the first ingredient we need is tea, black tea, just regular black tea, and we need to add around 2 teaspoons of black tea in a clean mixing bowl. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, extracted ginger powder. If you don't have ginger powder, get the fresh ginger and grate it and add it to the black tea. Now my friends, we need to add hot boiling water. You can also boil it on the stove if you prefer that, but for me I make it like that. It works and it's super effective. Add hot boiling water, around 50 ml of hot boiling water. Mix very well like so. We need 1 lemon, cut the lemon in half and add fresh lemon juice. Lemon is high in vitamin C and restores the hair color naturally, and it gets you super long hair. It fights dandruff and hair fall and will get you an amazing result with that remedy. Now stir very well. Use it on your hair. Apply this on your hair and leave it to dry out completely on your hair, and apply all this in your scalp. Leave it in your scalp for overnight and you will get long and thicken hair naturally. Your hair will grow 1 inch overnight, and repeat this to grow your hair super fast, to get super long hair, shiny hair, thicken hair naturally.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.